storm. Hey, hey, oh, I'm a renegade rebel with my pedal to the floor. Hey, hey, oh, them boys don't know I ain't in Kansas anymore. Hell no, I ain't in Kansas anymore. A movie scene, a fever dream. When you catch your breath, you can come back down. You're torn apart like a trailer park, but you still can't wait till I come back around. Hey, hey, oh, I'm a renegade rebel with my pedal to the floor. Hey, hey, oh, them boys don't know I ain't in Kansas anymore. Hell no, I ain't in Kansas anymore. Hey, hey, oh, I'm a renegade rebel with my pedal to the floor. Hey, hey, oh, them boys don't know I ain't in Kansas anymore. Come on. Hell no, I ain't in Kansas anymore.
Today's dance is called a Rattlesnake kiss. It's a 32 count forward improvement level like this. If we face the back wall. First section, we start with the right foot. We're gonna do the chop, 2 chop, each with the quarter turn left, so total is a half turn left. So we do the a little bit push the right foot to the side, also with the quarter turn left. So we do the chop, recover, and then after this one, do the slow last step, step, last step, and then left foot stop. Okay, let's do this section with cut. So start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the second section, we start with the left foot, do the rocking chair, front, center, back, center. And after this one, make a PB quarter turn right. So step, quarter, right now you're facing your 9 o'clock wall, and then keep moving to the right, cross, side. Okay, let's do this section with cut. So after your first section, right foot last step with the scarf, and start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the third section, we start with the left foot step back and put your right foot across your left swing, and then left foot step forward or right foot step forward, and then with a quarter turn right with the left foot step back. So right now you're back to the 12 o'clock wall again. And after this one, right foot step back, and then move your left foot across your swing, and then left foot step forward, and then swing your right foot. Okay, let's do this section with cut. So after the second section, PV, cross side, and then start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the final section, first we start with the right foot, do the wing cross with the quarter turn left. Do the front, side, behind, quarter. So right now you're facing your 9 o'clock wall. And after this one, you make a PB heel turn left. So right foot, step, heel, turn. So right now you're facing your 3 o'clock wall. And after this one, 2 step moving forward, wall, wall. Okay, let's do the section with cut. So after your forward swing, and then start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's put everything together from the top. So start with the right foot. Chop with the quarter turn left, chop with the quarter turn left. A slow step, long step. Start left foot rocking chair. PB quarter right, step quarter, cross side, back foot forward, quarter turn right, back foot forward. Right foot sweep, and when you cross back, side, behind, quarter turn left, step heel, turn to wall, wall. Okay, one more whole time is count. So start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then for the ending, you will start from your 6 o'clock wall. The third time when you're facing the 6 o'clock wall, you do all the way, almost finish your whole dance, but you modify the very last 4 counts. So after the wing cross, side, behind, put the 10 left, and then instead of do the pivot tail